Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. Welcome back for a new video here with me, Sylvana, on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we will be talking about one of those crystals that again, for me, deserves so much more praise and attention, and everyone should have some because it's just really nice, and it carries such a beautiful energy. And that crystal happens to be the beautiful pink opal. Yes, we're talking about pink opal today. Pink opal is a beautiful type of opal with a lot of different shades of pink. You can see here it's very unusual, very beautiful, and it usually comes from you'll find a lot in Latin America, which is really nice. Countries like Mexico, for example, have a beautiful range of pink opal. So we're going to talk about what is pink opal, what is it known for, what does it do, the zodiac signs associated with it, chakra signs related as well, and yeah, I'll just share a few things that I think that you guys deserve and need to know about the beautiful pink opal. So let's get started. I'll get you some other pieces so just so you can see the beautiful range of color it comes in, because it's really something else. The earrings I'm wearing here are also made of pink opal, which is more of a gentle pink here we have, and also have this really cool Mexican opal ring. Look at that, for an unusual stone, completely natural. How beautiful. Pink opal is one of those stones that I really like because they help us to be more empathetic. You know, in the sense that it involves us understanding someone else's feelings, but also the idea of sharing those feelings with them, getting involved in those feelings. And because let's be honest, if you're someone that, for example, is not very empathetic towards people, you will really need to try to work with a crystal such as pink opal. Like, it will really help. You know, it's great to allow yourself to remind yourself that the focus of, you know, it really helps to shift that focus of what you can achieve and how can someone go through struggles, difficulties in life, and it gives you that different perspective. It's one of those that is great for balancing emotions. Obviously, it's going to be associated with healing those emotions, with connecting yourself to areas of your subconscious that maybe could be holding pain, or sadness, or any form of trauma. But by connecting with that, it's going to help you to heal that part of yourself. And obviously that means that you're dealing with a stone that's all about helping you with like aspects of life related to the heart. So that means the heart chakra here is very powerful, and it's great to help you release fear, worry, anxiety, to obviously calm down stress, and that will indeed bring you to a space where you will feel more calm. That's what pink opal is all about. So, you know, getting rid of old patterns, like you can see here, beautiful pink opal. And obviously being more empathetic towards yourself, which is another added benefit, which is great for pink opal. It's that self-empathy, which is so strong and so powerful. We need more self-empathy in the world, because this is how we can develop better relationships with other people, but also with ourselves, which is so crucial. If you don't have a good relationship with yourself, you can try to look for good relationships with other people, but it's going to be very hard, because it all starts from within. It all starts from you, you know. And this is why, if this is something that seems difficult for you, that's that idea of self-empathy, definitely try pink opal. I'm going to show you my beautiful ring here as well. You can see I love this one here because you can really see the difference in the shades and the patterns. And yeah, great for emotional healing, hope in general, and that idea that it really helps you to create a space in your heart to really share and open to other people your life, your experiences, what you've been through, what you went through, and really to allow yourself to allow this ability of understanding and feeling what other people feel. So really connecting with people on another level. This is for me what Pink Opal is really, really about. It's that sense of trying to find a common ground with the people in your life and within yourself, and really to create somehow a more open and positive attitude about compassion, love, acceptance in all areas of life. It's very much so that sense of allowing you to approach life, approach yourself and your feelings, but also other people with a more centered and relaxed and easy approach. And yeah, to open your heart to feeling what other people feel, and obviously without anger, without judgment, without being scared of what other people might think or what they might say, without being afraid of judgment. And that's what Pink Opal is really all about. In a few words, you know, that would be the easiest way to describe it. So yeah, a great crystal. I try to see if I have a beautiful raw. This is a raw piece, just to show you the difference here in the look, because we had polished. Now this is raw. So if you see raw opal, it should look somehow like this. So as we said, it's about helping you through your journey into just into you self-acceptance and just love, you know. It's going to really enhance that sense of emotional, spiritual, and intellectual self. And yeah, great for that. Great for that. So yeah, here we have some raw opal. Let me see if I have any more to show you. Raw, because it's nice to always compare both when you can, both raw and polished. So yeah, that would be for me the key idea. If there was keywords to remember for you today, it's really that sense. It's empathy, it's self-acceptance, love, hope, you know, emotional well-being. For me, this is what this gemstone is all about: emotional well-being. In terms of, before we forget, in terms of the zodiac, what are we dealing with here? So it's gonna be mainly Cancer, Libra, but which is why we're talking also about it today, it also works for our dear Pisces friends. So obviously you're gonna see here we are dealing with star signs that are either very much into relationships, which is kind of what Pink Opal helps a lot with, Libra, for our Libra friends, but also because it's so deeply rooted in our sense of self-worth, like self-acceptance and self-love, and that really that sense of being open to others emotionally, but in a sense that's not self-destructive or that could be bad. You can see how it's a beautiful crystal that makes a lot of sense for anyone that is, for example, that either has one of their key planets in Pisces or Cancer, but also if you have a strong presence of any of those signs in your birth chart, definitely it works for you. It doesn't have to be just your sun sign. It can be your rising, it can be your moon, or it can be if you just happen to have a lot of that sign's energy in other planets. So yeah, that would be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little chat about the beautiful Pink Opal. It's definitely a beautiful type of opal that I feel deserves more attention. We will talk about other ranges of opal, don't you worry, this is gonna come, but I just want to do it one step at a time, and today Pink Opal just made a lot of sense to me. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about pink opal? Have you heard about it before? Is it a stone that you're familiar with? And let me know what you guys would like to see next on this channel, and I will make sure to make it come true, whatever that wish is. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up as well to this beautiful pink opal, because it deserves a thumbs up. And I will be delighted to talk to you soon. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll be talking to you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.